Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by installing Language Reactor and granting the minimal permissions it needs to operate. Once done, sign in and link any platforms where you'll study content, like YouTube or Netflix, so the tool can overlay subtitles. Next, choose the source and target languages and enable the dictionary and subtitle toggles. This activates dual subtitles and instant lookups. Follow these first actions now so the extension can capture video subtitles and start offering translations and examples as you watch. Now configure the core learning features to match your workflow. Turn on dual subtitles and reverse translation so you see both languages simultaneously, and enable autopause on unknown words to give yourself time to process. Then adjust playback speed and set looped segments for tricky phrases. Use fuzzy match to catch variants. Finally, customize flashcard export and spaced repetition settings, and arrange the UI layout so flashcards, dictionary, and video controls are visible. These settings control how efficiently you convert viewing into active practice. Start practicing by watching short segments and immediately collecting vocabulary and sentences into the tool. Export to your spaced repetition system and review daily to cement gains. Make sentence mining a habit. Add example sentences, note collocations, and record your own audio for pronunciation feedback. As you finish sessions, sync exports and back up your flashcards. If subtitles or integrations fail, restart the browser, reauthorize the extension, and clear the extension cache. That resolves most issues quickly so you can resume uninterrupted learning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.